Can you tell me what my name is, please? Can you say that a little clearer, please? So that I can hear you better? Are there any spirits in here in my bedroom with me right now? Any spirits or any ghosts? If there are, can you tell me how many? Oh, come on, guys, you can do better than that. Use my energy if you need it. Tell me your name. What's my name? No, it sounded like you said my name, but I'm not sure. Can you say it a little more clearly so that I can understand you better, please? Are there any spirits or ghosts in this room with me right now? Yes or no? Yes. How many are in my room with me right now? Can you tell me a number? How many spirits or ghosts are in this room with me right now? You'll have to speak up a little more clearly so I can understand you. How many ghosts or spirits are in here with me right now? I don't think you can talk, Tim. You keep going back between the number 7 and 8. Which is it? 7 or 8? Whoever's the strongest in there, can you give me your name? Oh, Jen, you're gonna like this. What is my name? I don't think you know my name. I bet you can't tell me my name. Think you could tell me my name? What is it? Is my name Lulu? Nope. Well, you were right about that. It's not. If you need to gather on some energy, pull them from me to come through. It's okay. I'm very interested in what you have to say. I want to know if there are any spirits or ghosts around me right now. Can you say... Yes, okay. How many spirits or ghosts are around me right now in my room? Can you tell me how many? 8? Thank you. Are they good or bad or both? I'll give you a yes and no question. Are there any bad spirits in here with me? Yes or no? Kind of hard to understand you. I'm just learning how to do this, so if you can speak a little clearer into this box right here, I really would appreciate it. Can you tell me yes or no if there are any bad spirits in here with me right now? If there are any bad spirits here in this room, can you say yes or no? Can you name a person that's living in this house with me? Can you give me the name of somebody that's living in my house with me right now? You have to be a bit more clear so I can understand you, please. Can you say my name? I bet you can't say my name. What is it? Do you know my daddy's name? What's my father's name? Do you know my dad's name? You just keep saying 7. That makes no sense. Are there 7 ghosts in this room? 7 spirits in this room? Ghosts, spirits? Are they good, bad, or both? Gonna have to try a little harder. I can't understand you. Sorry. Do you know my mother's name? Actually, yes, that is her name, but she doesn't go by that. She goes by an abbreviation of that. What does she go by? What name does my mom go by? You're right. She does go by Debbie. Shit. Thank you for answering that question. Now, if you can tell me her name, why can't you tell me what my name is? I hear you trying to form it. Can you say it? What's my name? Thank you. You got that right. At least I think you did. What's my dad's name? If you can say my name and my mama's name, I know you can say my daddy's name. What is it? Speak up. I think you might have had that right. Come on. What about my dog? What do we call my dog? Yes, we do call her Annie. Can you say my dog's name again? Can you say her name again, my little dog? Come on, you can do it. What's my little dog's name? Can you not say her name again? Is there a ghost or a spirit in my room or in this house that's trying to cause trouble? 7? You keep saying 7. Are you saying that there are 7 ghosts or spirits here in this house? Yep, okay.